Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
All right, team, let's make some magic. You got it.
In a
Beans are ready.
cozy nook where the
extra caramel
sunlight
today.
spills,
And sprinkles,
ducks in
yay!
aprons
Perfect. Pouring
dance
the
on
shots now.
tiled floors.
Almost done. Okay, watch closely. Whisk with care for a
With
perfect foam
flippers
cloud.
poised
That's
above
it,
the
Frothy.
coffee
Precision is key.
beans, they
Keep it
twirl
steady for
and
the perfect
swirl
texture.
through
Look at that,
espresso
a fluffy
dreams.
cloud. Great job.
All right, let's
Quacking
pick the cinnamon.
merrily,
Ooh,
they
cinnamon,
grind
my
with
favorite.
glee.
Now,
A
let's
symphony
measure it
of
with
laughter
this
as they brew
So neat.
up
And now
joy.
sprinkle it to make it beautiful. Perfect.
Cinnamon
See how the
sprinkles
golden
and
caramel
a touch
swirls
of
into the
cream.
mug?
Each
Wow, it's
cup
so
an
pretty.
adventure.
And mixing different
Each
colors
sip a
creates new
dream.
patterns.
That's brilliant, Caramel.
One duck
what a
brews
flavor symphony.
both,
All right,
while
team, watch this
another
fresh grind.
froths
Ooh, I
foam.
can't wait.
Perfect for our special
Whisking
blend.
together
Here we go. Let's turn
their
it red.
watery
Fresh grounds
home.
for perfect lattes.
Add a splash of
Welcome to Quacker's Coffee.
caramel. One shouts
I'll make
with
it fun.
delight.
Perfect flavor is my specialty.
Wow, I'll add
Or
some caramel
perhaps
swirl.
a dash
course,
of
good manners are important.
moonbeam light.
All right, let's make some art in our latte
Baristas
today.
in feathers
A
with
simple heart
beaks
right in the foam.
finely tuned.
See? Art is
Serving
everywhere,
lattes
even
like
in a cup.
canvases,
Perfect pour for
beautifully
a heart in the foam.
marooned.
My turn. Time
They
for some
craft
sprinkles.
little
And a
hearts
caramel swirl for
from
fun.
steaming
Excellent.
milk
Now,
waves.
fresh beans for the next cup.
And
All right, team,
every
let's get these lattes to the
customer
table safely.
leaves
Right behind you.
feeling
Smells
brave.
Steady now, watch for the bump.
The
Teamwork
bell
makes
above
this so
jingles
safer.
when
Great job, everyone.
patrons arrive.
All right, team, let's sort these syrups by color.
With waddling grace, they pour
Purple
joy
here.
alive.
Great work,
Two
team.
coffees
All
for you,
tight.
says
All right, team, let's make some
Quacker
magic.
McBean.
You got it. Beans are ready.
Ooh,
A
extra
latte
caramel
for
today.
love and a
sprinkles.
cappuccino.
Perfect. Pouring the
For
shots
dreams.
now.
Almost done. Okay, watch
Outside
closely.
the
Whisk with care
window,
for a perfect
the
foam
world
cloud.
That's it, Frothy.
rushes
Precision
by.
is key. Keep it steady for the perfect
But
texture.
inside
Look at
this
that, a fluffy
cafe, where
cloud.
ducks
Great job.
flutter night,
All right, let's pick the cinnamon.
time
Ooh, cinnamon,
slows
my
to
favorite.
savor
Now, let's
each
measure it with
moment
this spoon.
we
So
share.
neat.
And now, sprinkle it to
A
make
sip
it beautiful.
full of warmth
Perfect.
in
See
the
how the
cool
golden caramel swirls
autumn
into the
air.
mug? Wow, it's so pretty.
So come
And mixing
sit a
different colors
while
creates new
in
patterns.
this
That's brilliant,
whimsical shop
Caramel. What a flavor symphony. All right, team,
where
watch
ducks
this fresh
make
grind.
coffee
Ooh,
that
I can't
makes
wait.
Perfect for our
spirits
special
hop.
blend. Yes, here we go. Let's turn
With
it.
laughter so rich
Fresh grounds
and
for perfect lattes.
flavors
All right, team, watch
divine.
this fresh grind.
Ooh, I can't
Every
wait.
drop
Perfect for
served
our special blend.
is
Yes, here we
truly
go. Let's turn
sublime.
it to crank. Fresh ground
As
to foam.
twilight descends
Time for
and
some
day
sprinkles. And a
starts to
caramel swirl
dim,
for fun.
Excellent.
our
Now, fresh
feathered
beans for the
friends
next
gather,
cup.
their
All right,
voices
let's make some
sing
art in our latte
hymns.
today.
Wow, yeah.
For
A
coffee
simple
is
heart right in the
magic
foam.
brewed warm from the heart.
All right, team, let's get these lattes to
In
the
this
table safely.
duck-run
Right behind you.
cafe,
Smells
a
perfect.
true
Steady now, watch for the
work of
bump.
art.
Teamwork makes this so and safer.
Great job, everyone.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.